Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to delete a cell and also shift left the cell on your Microsoft Excel mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and video. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to delete and shift left the Microsoft Excel mobile cell. So for an example, I just want to delete this Apple 2 and I just want to shift left, which means if I deleted this cell, the Apple 3, Apple 4 will be shifted to this position on this cell like a C and D. Okay, so for an example, just selected this particular cell, click on this arrow section. You just have this option on the home section, scroll down to the bottom section and you can find an option called insert and delete. Click on this and here you just scroll down and here you can find an option called delete and shift left. Okay, just click on this option, which you can see it's deleted or also the shift lifted. So for an example, I just selected this particular cells. I just going to select 8 and 9. Okay, so the 03 will be remain on there, but the other cells will be shifted to the left side. The same option, go to the home section, click on the insert and delete, and here just go down, delete and shift left. Click on this option. So you can see it's shifted left side. This is how you just use this option on your Microsoft Excel mobile version. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.